What's up? How is everybody? Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. I hope everybody's weekend is going well. I know I've been lazy today, so mine's going pretty well. What's up, Sylvie? How are you? Oh, so I figured I'd mess more with the site I've been working on, and then I'll go to do some PAX Day. Because I've actually been enjoying messing with these components. I understand. I understand. But yeah, I've been playing with this template, and then I found all these components, and it's been nice. I'm just trying to adjust them to what I want, but I managed to get this whole thing working. But I was hoping I could get that little moving border around these boxes, but that looks like it's going to be a pain in the ass to try to do that. Hey, maybe I'll attempt it later. We'll see. I got to figure out how to put links on these too. But some of these UI components are pretty cool. Like, where's the link preview? This is pretty freaking sweet. What's up, Pawnee? How are you? Yeah, I'm actually I might be. I might be. It's coming along. I mean, I got the blog part working. This was the part I was really worried about. And I like that effect. Put an image there. Yeah. It's freaking sweet. What was the other thing I was gonna? Oh, yeah. Wonder. Let's put this in the file. You using Nuxt? Was that a whip suggestion? It was a whip suggestion, wasn't it? Whip told you Nuxt. I got you. I got you. No, I know because when I first started messing with all the frameworks, he suggested Vue, Nuxt, all that, which don't get me wrong, I liked. But then I went into Next.js because of Sylvie, and I've actually enjoyed Next.js a lot better. So this is what I've been doing is stuff in Next.js. So like this blog, right? I got this template from it's called Wisp. So Wisp is a headless blog system. So basically this is imported into my back end and I can literally go to my dashboard and write blog posts right there. And then they'll show up here. So they're real time rendered. So I don't have to package like WordPress or Ghost or something like that. I can just use that. And then all the UI components that I've found that have been fun. What was this named? Link preview.tsx. New file. Link preview.tsx. Paste that. Oh, okay. Oh, apparently I started a shared session. Oops. This needs to be at lib because this is set up different. There we go. And then QSS. Oh, you're using. I know what you're using. Yeah, it's not a bad system. God dang it. What I forget the name of it. Oh, so you're using the UI component? Yeah, you're using the UI here at Shad. It's not bad either. But like my docs, because I'm gonna do docs with this site as well. So my docs will be Mentlify because I love their documentation. This is actually what I started to do the extensions wiki in at one point in time. But I have to do this separate because I can't combine it in the next JS install. So right now I'm just setting up the main site and then I'll run Mentlify by itself and link them together. But yeah, ShadCN was one that I was doing until I found Aceternity UI, and now I'm having fun. Now I'm having tons of fun. So, okay, so basically, I guess the easiest way for me to explain this, and it works across the board for all your frameworks, I believe, for the most part, at least all the ones I've done. So for instance, let's say I want to do my header. Okay, where are we at? So my header is right here, right? This whole component is the layout of the header, period. And then like I have the layout of navigation. So this is, or well, the navigation is a component right here. So either way, this is the entire header. This is the entire top of the site. And I want this to be the same across every page, right? I don't if I don't want to have to go into every page and put this information consistently, right? Because why do I have to change 10 different page files to do this? So this is where the frameworks come in handy. So I have my menu items here I can change. And let's see here. Where's my okay. So right here, if I was to do after blog, I was to test this and I said um, test link. And let's just, put that there because it's not going to go to anywhere. I now have test link, but I have it on every page. So I only had to change it one spot. So this whole header right here, if I go to any of my pages, let's say I go to my main page, this is my entire page right here. This section of code. That right there is my entire page. Because my header and my footer are two different components. So because my header and my footer are two different components that I can import, and I've done them in two different files, I put my header here, I put my footer here, and then all my content goes in between them. And the way this is set up, this has a markdown parser with the content, and then I can export the entire content up here between the markdown parser, and you get your page. Obviously, this is a template that I've been messing with, but I've changed most of it. This is the home page is the only one I haven't. So that's how your components work. So like, for instance, I let's see, in my blog post preview, right? I wanted to do these cards. So from this site, I went to components and then 3D card effect. So to get this effect on my blog, I basically took this code, the source code, and made a component. And then in my blog post preview, I import that component, the card body, card container, and card item from that 3D card component. And I'm able to use those to pass the data that I want in that container. So now my blog title, my blog description, the date I published it or posted it, and any tags that are on it. So if I click on the tag, I should be able to sort my posts by those tags. What's up, Randy? How are you? But the problem I ran into with this is I can't deploy it to Cloudflare pages. So I'm having to build. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. I'm having to build out a Docker image for this. So that's what the compose file is for. I build out the Docker. So what are you saying? Like, if I wanted to take these and import them somewhere else to be used again, like exactly like this. So yeah, theoretically, I could basically um I could import blog post preview and it will take this whole layout, or should, or yeah, I should be able to import blog post preview here, and I might have to do the function component. But yeah, you should theoretically be able to import it into another page. No issues. There'll probably be issues, but the compiler usually yells at you and lets you know what you're doing wrong. That's how I learn it. Like, I need to figure out how to throw URLs on these. That's probably going to be over the. Well, first, let's fix this. I don't know why I'm getting these errors. Like, this will tell you the errors too, right here. Like, I'm missing something here. What's up, Ginger? How are you? How you be? Nice. When are people not trolling Perry though? Let's be honest here. Oh, and I guess my ad thing worked too, because my ad thing didn't play earlier. I put a check finally. I remembered to check the scene that I'm on. Let's see. Right. Doing right. Everyone's happy. No, no, to starting totally from zero for me doesn't make any sense. I have to break apart stuff. So, like, for instance, hold on. Next.js template. Let me see if I can find it. Blog. Where's the one with Wisp? That's Sanity. Notion backed. Micro. Wasn't there one? There was one with Wisp in here. That's how I found it. And I was like, holy crap, I can do this? No, I got you. Maybe it's portfolio? Blog. I'm trying to find it. Because you'll see how I changed it, like, once I show you the original one. Sanity. How in the hell did I find this the other day? Portfolio, blog, starter. Oh, it was CMS. I think it was CMS. Because it was considered a CMS one. Okay. Builder, Notion backed, Wix, Stream New, Stable, Better, Prismic, Shopify. Wow, really? Where was the Wisp one? I swear to God. How was it not under any of these? And Wisp isn't pulling anything up. And I know I found it here. Ah, here we go. So this was the template that I found. And this is how the blog was set up, which is cool. Don't get me wrong. It's a clean look, but I kind of wanted it to look a lot different. So that's why I kind of went in with the card effects there. So I took this layout with how they had it, pieced it together into these cards, and that's how I got this. And then if I was to actually post an image, the image would show up here. But I didn't change the layout here because I think this is fine. But yeah, once you start, like, for me, once I start breaking stuff apart and like piecing it together, I start figuring it out. Like, obviously, I'm going to change the color because that's not going to match the scheme I want. And I thought this was a cool way to kind of like display different things I've worked on in like a portfolio sort of manner. But I do need to figure out why missing the it was link preview. I need to install component dependencies. That's why. So I hit yes to terminate, install the hover card QSS. Now I can run the dev. There we go. No errors. So now I should be able to put that link preview component somewhere. I wonder if I can import it in here. So when you hover over the boxes, this might be fun. All right, so I need under projects, this page. Oh, jeez. Image. Link preview. How does this? Okay, link preview. All right, import. That's why. Link preview, component UI link preview. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work that way. Grid item header icon link item dot link. Let's see, GitHub. Let's see how this works. Hmm. Link does not exist. Oh, because it's not on the bento grid item. So let's go to the component. Link. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but header, icon, title, description. Actually, this might work. Return. Link. How does next link work? Again, components link in app router link. There we go. That should work. And then import link. That should not be from. Oh my goodness. Why is that? I don't know why it's trying to use that import. That's not the import I want. Import link from next link. There we go. So now if I do link bum. String React node? No. Oh, I see. No, that's not gonna. This isn't gonna work the way I want it to, is it? href, href, and also accept an object. Linking to dynamic routes. So it should be link. Middleware, I don't need that. I just need to figure out why. So it's not going to be React node. Is it just going to be string? Can also be an object. All right, now I'm lost. It's official. I'm now lost. Last name is a string. Title can be a string or React node. Oh, these are React nodes. Okay. Description can be either. Title can be either. How do I fix this? Says the question. Type React node is not assignable to type URL. Type undefined is not assignable. Oh my goodness. I just want to put a link on it. href. Path name, query. Linking to dynamic routes. click reference. All right, constant URL. I hate when I get stumped like this. Sylvia, you wouldn't be around, would you? I know I'm doing something wrong. I know I am. Hmm. Well, now let's phone a friend. Link is string. I thought I tried that and it didn't. It yelled at me because I was like, it's got to be a string. But then it still yelled at me. A header. What? That still doesn't make a difference. Be a problem. Hmm. Okay, that makes more sense. So conditionally, let's see how that works. Nice. Unsupported, unhandled runtime error, undefined. I love it. Grid. Oh, I see what happened. Grid item. Yep, that's not working. Oh, I see. I don't know if this is gonna work though. Nope. Extra attributes from the server. That's what I figured. Put this back how I had it. All right. Item.link. Undefined. All right, that should be correct. Link string. And that doesn't matter either. It's just going to flop back and forth. Okay, Visual Studio Code. Why are you being a jerk? Yeah, I'm really not sure how to fix this. React node is not assignable to URL, which I kind of had a feeling. Ref. Oh, wrong one. Not assignable to legacy reference. Okay, so that's legacy reference. Why is putting a link on this a pain in my rear? Yeah, I figured it had to be in the div. Not working past. Casing. Yeah, that's not what I want. XJS link element. XJS and routes. You can see the format. Okay. Link path name. To generate typed links. Hmm. All right, so link. Route URL. That's a function though. No. You don't know where this is from? I need to fix the ads thing though, because this browser source freezes everything up for some odd reason. Yeah, I have too many browser sources in my OBS apparently. It probably is. Oh my goodness, I might have gotten it. Nope. God dang it. Anyway, yeah, I just found a cool browser source at the time and then threw it on there, and it transitioning in apparently does not like does not like the load. All right, so I got this to load fine. The string link is route. That's a string or object in link, but got undefined instead. Yeah, I know. I just need to do it. I need to go through and get rid of a bunch of browser sources. I went CodePen happy. I think that's the issue. That or get a bunch more RAM and throw it in my computer. So probably limiting the amount of browser sources I have is probably the best route. Slug is slug. So this loads is fine. Import type route from next, return path to path as route. But if I don't do that, then that errors. Yeah, that too. I mean, it is what we do with Jiffy, so I just wish I could figure out why this is not working. Statically type links, AC. Because this is static and I don't want static. Routing, linking and navigating using the link component. Yeah, true. Active links. Router push. Link. String or object. Yes, required. But I don't understand. I passed the string. Oh my goodness. 95 stream streak. Holy crap. What's up, Webmage? Yo. Hmm. I don't understand. Like, how is adding a URL component to this causing me such a headache? How? And everything I look at doesn't give me a straight answer. Yeah, that's still not going to work. Even if I do the default string. Name string. I mean, this is optional. That I can't do. React dot react node. Requires one type of argument. Wonder. Yeah, so if I get rid of that, it doesn't fail, but got undefined. Item.link. Oh, I see. Because if I do this, this is required. Because I did not make it optional. Let's just see if this works. This does work at least. It would be nice to know why it's not optional, though. How to make it optional. Anyway, let's play around with this, though. Link. Where is link preview? Link preview. Link. This is going to be URL. Link. And that should be good. So if I do this, that did not work. Because I got to add this as configurable. Protocol is HTTPS. And then host name And then this should work now. Let's see. Oh, it completely crashed it out. I was like, what? One error. A cannot be a descendant of A. Well, that works. That's kind of cool. I like that. I gotta fix that error though. See if I can get rid of this error. A link preview. I wonder. I'm gonna be mad. Are you not to be outdone? 95. All right. All right. I see how it is. Okay, if I had known I could do that, I would have just done that. What the actual crap? Why was that? Why did that have to be so painful? How about that though? I like that. And then you can click on it. I like this. I feel like the okay. Link preview. Background gradient. Doesn't look like it does background gradient though. So link preview actually wraps it in a link too. That's good to know. Did not realize it did that. Okay. What does this do? Let's get rid of that and see what happens. Doesn't do anything. Oh, I bet you I know what that is. Okay. I don't even think I need any of this. Yeah, that's what I thought. I just need the link preview with the URL. It throws the link. Boom, done. I just need to make the link optional versus forcing it in, which is fine. I can do that at some point. I think this is starting to look all right. Uh-oh. I broke about. How did I break the about page? Footer tracing beam. Invalid. Are you kidding me? Why is it saying no? Images to unsplash. I swear to God it is. Okay, this is weird. Okay, configure Next.js image host. Or do they have to be? They probably have to be spaced out like this. That's the only thing I can think of. Otherwise, they're correct. There we go. I just had it set up wrong. I didn't realize I needed to have it set up bracketed each one, but we're good. I like that little line. I don't know why. All right. I need to figure out how to make the links optional for one. Bento grid. Mm-hmm. Link string. Let's see if this works. I know that's going to break it, but bento grid item. All right, that seems to work. So let's take page out of projects. There we go. It is now optional. That is what I needed to see. Awesome. Had to change that component up a bit. So now only the ones that have links will hover and allow me to do this. But on the hover, link preview. Well, first off, page projects. Bento grid. Do I like that or 4? Four or 5? 5 just makes it a little wider. So let's go 4. MX auto. I wonder. Kind of want to move that up a little bit if I can. Bento grid item. Duration 2. There we go. That's a little better. Let's try one and see what happens. One or two. Hmm. I guess two looks fine. Maybe. Nah, one. One looks better, right? All right, let's go into link preview. Oh, hidden image. White border. I wonder. There we go. Too many things open. All right, card item. This is on hover. Let's do border. Emerald. Nope. Border emerald. Here it is. Hmm. I wonder actually, can I do this? Card hover effects. No. Hover border gradient. There we go. Hmm. don't know if that's gonna work how I want it to. But I was hoping I could maybe animate. Maybe I can. L1 config. Animation. Rotate. Over. Animate. Rotate. Okay, that's definitely, yeah. That's when you know you done screwed up. That's fun though. There you go. Rotating the preview. When it doesn't work as intended. All right, I guess we can take that animation off. Mm-hmm. Dark border white. Oh, interesting. Oh, don't do that. Border white. Oh, there we go. Border one. Oh, border two. Applies the same okay as wonder if I can fill that out more. Yeah, there we go. What y'all think? That looks better, right? Although I don't want that to be white, I don't think. Border black. There we go. So you get a preview. Or maybe gray. Let's go gray. I think that looks all right. And then link preview content. Mm-hmm. Next link target blank. Is it really that easy? I guess we're about to find out. It is. It's that easy. Target blank. I'd say this is coming along. Oh, and depending on where you're at, depends on where it pops up. Nice. Trial and error. Trial and error. We're getting there. I don't know why that's got to shift though. More error than trial. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of errors here, but I've been trying to get through. But I mean, this is probably the farthest I've gotten in an Next.js site that's actually functioned how I kind of wanted it to. It's even got light mode. There you go. So this is literally all just me like figuring stuff out. I was just making sure you're paying attention. That's all. That's all. Now I must remember. I thought it was here. What the heck? Well, damn. I might have lost where my oh, it's here in the header. Haha. I was like, where the hell did that go? There we go. I do want to change these colors though for and that's the other thing I like about these components too is I can adjust them how I want to. They're not like hidden in a library that I can't change. All right, so what color? What color should we go? Because right now this is purple and blue. So maybe purple and green? Emerald? Emerald hex code. Hmm. Actually wondering now. Ah, there we go. So probably. There we go. The stop one here. I'm not sure if this is making a ton of a difference. Ah, there we go. I don't know. What do y'all think? That looks good, right? A nice little light green emerald line. Well, there we go. That finally unfroze. Jesus. Bum, 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 bum. Yep, I know. I don't know why either. It's literally just one little thing. I mean, it's not like there's a ton of stuff going on in it. It's literally a code pin that I found. With some SCSS, that's it. Like, I don't even understand what in here is causing issues. There's separate sources in the nested seam. Audio is all in its own source, like all own nested seam or whatever. Why do you think it's possibly the audio when it picks it? Trying to debate. Okay, that's what that is. Duration delay. Yeah, that's, I don't know either. All right. I was wondering how I could change that. Around the full border. Okay, that's emerald. That's good. Okay. And this, if I do, this is emerald. That should be the inner one. Should be. Yep, there we go. Wait, why does it keep going to white? Because of this? It keeps changing to white. What the heck? So that's not the issue. Why in the world? I mean, this looks fine, but I want to change that. border color, bar emerald 600. So it is the border color. But why is it being like this? Emerald 300. And there it is. I don't understand why it keeps changing that to white. And if we get rid of this. Oh, actually, okay. It still works. I guess that's fine. Okay. I guess the animate part there wasn't important. What's up, Cypher? How are you? And what story? What story are you talking about? I think this looks fine. Right? This looks fine. Oh, yeah. It is a good story. It is a good story. Nah, I've been working on a project site. Like we're slowly getting there, throwing the animated stuff. Got the blog stuff set up. Working on I was working on changing this little slider thing. And then probably my favorite part, the little preview of site that you can click on. Slowly getting somewhere with it. Oh, but I think we're good for now. I think I'm gonna put it up for a little bit. Yeah, thanks. Thanks. I've I found a so the basically I wanted a site for like a port. I wanted to put like together a portfolio site sort of with a blog. So that's what I'm kind of working on. And I found a template for the blog system. So I've been editing this template. But the blog system uses Wisp for the back end. So I can basically go in into this and create my posts. Hold on. Oh, anyway. But yes, I can basically write my blog in Wisp and then it will create the post. And then I found Eternity UI, so I've been having fun because it's got some cool UI functions in it. But either way, I think I'm gonna hang it up for now. I kind of got what I wanted to get done, and figured out. I think it's starting to look nice. But let's push these. Adjusted UI components. Yes. Sync changes. That way it's in my repo. And now we're going to close this. And it is time for the PAX day. Are you in there, Sylvie? I still got to level up so much stuff. It's crazy. Crazy. Like, there's a lot of work going into leveling in PAX Day. I'm not even going to lie. It's an investment. Okay. You're good. All right. Sorry. Trying to deal with uh roommates trying to buy a movie thing. Really? Is it that delayed? Is that like delayed on client side or my side? That's scary. Is it really? Oh God. Yeah. Hold on. I see some issues here now too. I think it's browser source. Like, I bet you it's browser source related. I bet my OB. I bet you. I'm betting you anything. My OBS is crapping out. Cause I'm not dropping frames or anything either. I don't know. Are you just talking about the TTS, or is everything delayed? That's the question. Is it just Thanks. No, I don't have. No, I shouldn't. The entire stream is delayed. Okay, that's what I was trying to. Hold on. Well, that's not good. Output. I'm pretty sure I don't have stream delay on. I'm almost positive. That doesn't make any sense because I don't have anything. Hmm. I don't know how to fix that. Oh, I was like, what? Yeah, because my internet speed. I mean, that's interesting. Okay, you gotta stop with that. Well, I know I don't have stream delay on. All right, so what if I hold on? I don't know what to do. I mean, I can't change settings until I stop streaming, but I don't. I'm looking for where stream delay is, and I'm pretty positive it's not enabled unless Twitch has somehow enabled it for me and I didn't realize it. But I don't even remember where to set that. Nope, I have low latency, best for near real time interactions with viewers. Yeah, because right now on my Twitch on Twitch side, I have it set to low latency. So the only thing I can think of, I'm aware, where is it at? But I can't change it unless I'm not live, right? But I'm telling you right now, the only way it's enabled is if OBS changed it because I have it disabled. I've always had it disabled. Yep. Stream delay. Here, I'll show you. Right here. Stream delay is not enabled. I guess we should probably get out of tax day for right now. Y'all always wait till I'm about to do something to tell me until y'all tell me, hey, something's messed up. All right. I think it has something to do with that browser source, to be honest. When did this issue start? Does anybody know? Was it when I added the ads thing? It won't let me do low. Lowest I can do is 1 second. What's up, BP? Apparently everything's really delayed, so I'm sorry. I have it set and it's at 1 second. That's as low as I can go. All right, let's just do this then. It's going. Apparently it's always broken. I just need to get some more RAM for my computer. That's what I need to do at this point. That's the only thing I can think of. All right, let's disable the viewing of that browser source, and let's see what happens here. I'm about to test this just to see if this freezes up. Yep, that's what it is the sound. The sound causes it to freeze up playing it in OBS. All right, I'm gonna go to the sound area. All right. I don't know how this is gonna go. Is it still? Are we still delayed? Yeah, it's still bad, isn't it? Bum, bum. I think I don't know if it's that sound or both sounds. That's the problem. Was it working fine with the other elevator music and not, or was it is it doing it on both? That's the question. Because I imagine I'm gonna have to probably get rid of both of them. All right, let's see. Let's disable this one. Let's see if this freezes it up. Yep. Not as bad, but that one froze it up a little just for a second. How delayed are we still? Yeah, this one seems fine. How delayed are we though? Bum, 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 bum. They are regular media sources. All right. Well, I'm gonna after this is done, I'm gonna close OBS, open it again, connect back to stream, and then we're gonna see if the delay is fixed and if we create the delay again.